Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make African chin in comfort of your home using this ingredient. So I have flour, I have milk, and that's a cup of sugar, and melted butter, that is 1 egg. If you want it to be able to be soft, that is a little flour, which is for kneading. And there I have a spoon of nutmeg, 1 tablespoon of ginger, grounded ginger, 1 tablespoon of pepper, and half tablespoon of of baking powder. So all we are going to do now is we are just going to mix all the powdered ingredients and pour into the flour, then mix together. And before doing this with your hands, make sure they are clean and washed. Okay, so we're just going to put melted butter in it and mix till, and also can add your egg. Um, Adding egg is, if you want it to be very crunchy, you can decide on to add egg. But if you want it to be a little bit crunchy or a little bit soft, you can decide to add 1 egg, because egg are capable of making it soft. So just add 1 egg if you want it to be a little bit crunchy and not too hard and not too soft, and keep mixing. So after some minutes, it's going to look like this, and you can just decide to add your milk now. Make sure you add the milk little by little, so you're going to avoid adding too much of milk, so your dough is not going to be too fluffy or too watery. So after some minutes, you are going to get this a thick dough. If it's too thick, you can try to add a little water as you saw me adding. Then at the end of the day, you should have this a dough like this, not too soft. It's just there, it's fluffy, it's leaving the bowl. So that's how you know your dough is actually ready. Keep mixing, and then after this, you are going to just cover it for some minutes, and then roll it. So this is how dough is looking at, like, and that's the extra flour we left for kneading. That's it on the table. And okay, so we are meant to use a pizza cutter. If you have a pizza cutter, you can use a pizza cutter, but if you don't have, you can always improvise using a knife. So after cutting that way, you just all you have to do is cut it again. Well, there are two ways of doing this part. I'm going to show you the other part, the other way. So just cut it, and this is your chinchin is getting ready. Just keep cutting. Okay, so yeah, another way of cutting your or shaping your dough is by just take it one by one, because you can see the other one was actually going together, and this way is a little bit kind of faster because you know what you're doing and they're not coming together. So just pick it one by one, and I think it's way better that way. Okay, so this is your frying pan, and you want a deep fry, so you need a lot of, not yeah, a lot of, I mean enough groundnut oil. So before you start frying, make sure your groundnut oil is a little bit hot and not too hot so your chinchin won't burn. So just put it in, and it's meant to scatter like almost immediately. You don't stir immediately because you might end up spoiling it. Just leave it to scatter and fry by itself. After some minutes, you're going to see that it's going to scatter by itself like this. So you just have to leave it on to keep frying till you have a golden brown. Okay, so when it's time to just serve from the granite oil, then serve into a service paper. That way you are sucking out the granite oil from the chinchin. So I made other sets and they are so amazing. You can see them. Well, your chinchin is ready.